see myself where I need to be.
We're going to chase some waterfalls. They're going to flip their car back over on its wheels. Oh, it's so scary. Oh, pray for you. Damn, Gina. What?
We're not hiking.
Oh. Bling blings. Mida. So we're gonna ride up to Wiseman's View. We're on Old 105 at the moment. We are cruising through the Waterfall tour. Trying to find a little good spot for this evening. Trailhead 5. No camping here. Yeah, your hiking pants. I wear mine all the time. I've had these on twice this week.
But we washed them. They are clean.
Not after tomorrow, they're not going to be. Because we're up here on the old Highway 105. We're going to do some dispersed camping this evening. It's my wife's first. She was like, what? We're camping on the side of the road. It's like, yeah, we're just gonna pull over on the side of the road and sleep.
Reasons.
Now she realized, oh, there's other crazy people doing the same thing.
I like to say no, but we didn't.
There's 2 spots. There's one that's got a beautiful view in the morning. It's gonna be amazing. Hey, baby. Let's take a picture of you taking a picture. Top of the mountain.
No.
You look cold. Are you really that cold? I mean, I'm in a t-shirt. She's in
4 layers. 2.
2 layers. Two layers. It's our first camping trip out on where are we at? We're in Limba Gorge on Highway 105. We got the best spot. Can't wait for the morning, see the sunrise come up. Good morning, sunshine. It's gonna be an interesting morning when we get out of this tent. We're almost packed up. Another miscellaneous adventure in the books.
On my. Hola. My pillow don't has a cover. It was in my sleeping bag.
Won't stop believing till I see myself where I need to be.